I'm going to show you how you can get thousands of clicks to any website of your choice by using a website that gives you ads absolutely free. And the best part, I'm going to show you how you can use this website to get traffic to any affiliate links that you want so that you can start making $1,000 to $2,000 per month using this secret website. Now, as you guys know, there are so many ways that you can get ads. You got Google ads, Facebook ads, YouTube ads, and even TikTok ads. For this particular website, I have never mentioned on any one of my YouTube videos, and I'm going to reveal it today in this video. And I'm going to show you how you can get free traffic with free ads to any website of your choice. Now, I do want to show you some quick proof that I do know what I'm talking about. I make money from multiple different affiliate programs. This is one right here that has generated me income using the same website I'm about to show you. And here's another program right here that has also generated me passive income. And here's another affiliate program that has also generated me infinite passive income using the same strategies that I'm about to show you in this video. Now, the first thing you need before you put this plan into action is that you need to choose an affiliate offer. An affiliate offer is simply an offer or product that you don't own, but you can still make money, or what we call commissions from each and every single sale from each customer that you refer that makes a purchase. Now, what's cool about affiliate offers and affiliate programs and affiliate products is that you don't own them. So when you refer the traffic or the customers to these products, you don't have to worry about the customer support. You don't have to worry about the shipping and the handling. You even don't have to keep up with the inventory. When you refer the customers to any affiliate product or offer, that company takes care of all those things for you. And all you have to do is sit back and collect the commission. Now, we're going to be using this secret website to send traffic to that affiliate offer. And when those people buy, you're going to make commissions. So for example, if you find an affiliate product that's worth $500 and that person that you refer makes a purchase and the commissions are 50% commissions, that means that you will make $250 absolutely free. And what I'm about to show you is exactly what I do to get that traffic to this free website so they can make those purchases so you can start making $1,000 to $2,000 per month absolutely free. Now, the place that I first recommend is a place called ClickBank. ClickBank is basically a place where you can go to find tons of affiliate offers that's already built for you that you can get your link from so that you have an affiliate product to promote, to send the traffic to, that I'm going to reveal from this secret website. So the first step you need to do is to create a free account where it says start here. And then once you create your free account, you'll get access to the affiliate marketplace. Now, once you create your free account, you're going to want to go up to the top where it says marketplace. Now, inside the ClickBank affiliate marketplace, you're going to see that there's tons of products from different companies broken down by niche by niche. And if you look over here at all, you got arts and entertainment, betting systems, computers and internet, education, games, green products, and even health and fitness. But the type of niche I want you to focus on today is e-business and e-marketing, simply because the free website that I'm going to show you, a lot of people go there from that website and they're most interested in this type of niche. So this would be the perfect niche to market your affiliate product based off this website, where most of the traffic that comes to this website are most interested in business opportunity. And as you can see, you can go through here and see there's tons of different businesses within this niche. And you can go through here and see the names of the particular companies and how much they're paying you. The gravity score is based on the number of unique affiliates generating sales. What that means is this has a great gravity score. Most people are getting around $205 using this particular affiliate product. And the initial conversion is $6.32. You can also make recurring or passive income with this that has a median of about $35.52. Now, the average conversion for this particular one is $70.62. And it has all the information broken down. Each one is different. As you can see, this one has a gravity score of 138, $16.39, and an average conversion of $23. $38. This one even has an average conversion of $198. Now, our goal is to make an extra $1,000 to $2,000 per month. So when you're looking at these average conversions, you want to look at the one that pays out the best amount possible. So for example, right here, $198 is one of the highest ones on this particular page. But that's what you want to look for when you're choosing an affiliate product. Now, here's one that I really like right here. This one has an average conversion of $879.38. That's That's what I'm talking about. But you're welcome to pick anyone that you choose. I'm going to probably roll with this one just for educational purposes of this video. But when you're looking through these affiliate products, try and find the highest paying amount on this website as possible. But when you do find your ideal affiliate product or offer, what you want to do is just come over beside it, and up under the average conversion, you're going to click on promote. And what's going to happen, this window is going to pop up asking you to create your hop link. Your hop link is basically another name for your affiliate link. And this one has multiple different landing pages, so you can pick which one that you want to use as your landing page. The landing page is already going to be created for you. They're giving you different options to where you can send your traffic. Once you have that, you want to select your affiliate name. I only have one, so I select that. And then once you put in your name and you choose your landing page, you're going to click generate or create hop link. And as you can see right here, it has my hop link. This is my unique affiliate link. Nobody else has this. And this is what we're going to use to send the free traffic that I'm going to show you in this secret website. And that's what a lot of people struggle with. A lot of people find the websites and find the affiliate links and find the products and the offers, but they struggle in the area of getting traffic to those websites so they can generate sales. So I'm going to be showing you how to do that in this video. We're going to use this free website to get traffic to our hop link so that we can start making money. Now, this is your first option using ClickBank. Let me show you another option. Hey, what's going on, everyone? While you're watching this, I wanted to tell you about my brand new free course I just launched, and I'm going to break it down for you for just a few seconds in 3, 2, 1. Down below, you'll see the link to join my free course. And by the way, did I say free? It's absolutely free. No games, no gimmicks, no upsells. You can join it and use this course to not only to learn about AI softwares, but how to make money with all of the industries together. I'm going to teach you the secrets of automated income. I'm going to teach you all my ultimate affiliate programs and software gold mines. I'm going to show you how to go from $0 to $100 a day using my email list alchemy. Even in the end, I'm going to give you my expert tools and programs I will to forge a 7-figure business from thin air. All that and more is down linked below this video. Let's hop back into it. If you scroll down to the YouTube description of this video, you'll see I have a course called the Affiliate Income Network System, where you can learn the exact steps I use to take beginners from 0 to 100K marks. And when you click that, it's going to take you to this page right here. And you can also sign up to become an affiliate for this particular program. Now, in this course, I also pay out 50% commissions. The course costs $14.97, so you have the potential to make up to $750 per sale. If you would like to get access to become an affiliate for this particular program, which I also will help you to promote and make money with, comment in this video Affiliate Income Network System, and I'm going to send you the link. Or you can hop over to my Instagram page, and I'm Dadlearnsmoney.com 2.0, and send me a quick message and DM me and say Affiliate Income Network System, and I can reply back to you there. When you do that, I'm going to send you my secret link so that you can sign up to become an affiliate for the Affiliate Income Network System. You're also going to get access to my free Facebook group where I show you each and every week on how you can make money with the Affiliate Income Network System, as well as many other affiliate products and offers. Now, once we've chosen affiliate offer, and also once we have our affiliate link, now we're going to go to the secret website that's going to give you free clicks and free ads, and you won't have to pay for anything. So without further ado, the name of this secret website is called worldprofits.com. Now, this is worldprofit.com, and this website has been around for years and years. Basically, what it's going to allow you to do is create a free account, and once you create your free account, you're also going to be able to create free ads to send traffic to any website of your choice. Now, once you create your free account, you're going to want to go to the menu all the way over here to your left. And as you can see in the main menu, there is a link called free classified ads. Now, what we're doing, I'm going to show you how to create these free ads so that you can get free traffic and free clicks to your affiliate offer. So what you're going to do is click free classified ads. And as you can see, there's an option for you to place ads for free. So we're going to click that. Now, as you can see, they give you 10 ad credits down here below. So they already have some pre-built ad templates right here, but we're not going to use any of that. What we're going to do is go up here to the top right-hand corner, and we're going to click on post ad. Now, mind you, it's probably going to send you some activation links to your email, so make sure you check those. activate your login information and verify your account. But once you completed that entire process, you should land on this page right here. And also, this is going to be a 7-day free trial. They're going to probably ask you to upgrade to silver and stuff like that. You don't have to do that. They're going to give you 7 days to try this out. But I don't want you to upgrade to anything. I want you to start making money first before you consider that. So it's not absolutely needed and definitely not needed in order to do what I'm showing you in this video. So now that we're on this page, now we're going to start creating our free ad. So the first thing we're going to want to do is get our affiliate link, so we could put it down here in this URL. Now I gave you 2 options. You can use the links that we created in ClickBank and get your hot link, or you can also use the affiliate income network system and become an affiliate for my course, to where you can make commissions too. If we were to use ClickBank, what you would do is go back to ClickBank, make sure you have your name at the top, pick one of your landing pages if the one you chose has multiple landing pages, and then once you have that information, you're going to create hop link, and then all you will have to do now is just click copy, and it's going to copy to your link, and then we could go back to World Profit and just paste our hop link there. Now also, if you decide to become an affiliate for the affiliate income network system, which is my course, you're going to get access to my software, which is First Promoter, where you'll be able to get all your links. And as you can see down here, you have multiple links. I'm just going to pick my default one. And when you select that, it's going to change up here, and I would just click copy. And then I can also go back here and paste it just like we did with ClickBank. As you can see, I'm an affiliate for my own course. That's why my name is there. When you create your own account, it's going to have your name and your credential. Now, after you have your link and you place it in the URL box, the next thing we want to do is create a simple ad. Now, what I like to do, I like to just go up here to the top right and click see all ads and see what things everybody else is doing. As you can see here, this is the classified ads news feed, and it tells you some little stats here. This one has 16 views, 16 views, 16 views, and see which ones that are higher and pick the ones that are already being successful with their ads. And as you can see, they have different cool titles. This is what's helping them become successful with their ads. Transform your body, join our lucrative affiliate program, 22K blueprint. So I just come here to get inspiration on what I'm going to use to put in my ad. Now I went out ahead and jumped ahead and did my research and just found the best ones that I like for this particular affiliate program, which I'm promoting, which is my course. And I just got my title and I went ahead and pasted all the stuff inside of World Profit's ad editor. Now, as you can see, I have my title here and I put it out here, and then my link is right here. But after you have that information, you're going to want to scroll down, and the last thing is going to ask you what category you want to put your ad in. So we have these different categories, and you pick the one that's most relevant to what your ad is going to be about. So I'm just going to pick business opportunities and business opportunities over here. And then when you're done, all you're gonna have to do is scroll down and just click post ad. Now guys, I hope this video gave you great value so that you can start generating traffic to your affiliate links. Use this website as a tool, especially if you're getting started, so that you can start generating some traffic and some sales to your affiliate offers. Remember to be consistent and don't give up. These things take time sometimes, but if you hang in there, I promise you're gonna be successful. Now guys, my ultimate goal is to not only help you quit your 9-to-5 job, but I also want you to create a long-term business. Now, in my community, I teach regular people just like yourself how they can leave their 9-to-5 job and also create infinite passive income, so that when they leave their job for a lifetime and never have to look back. Now, if you want to get access to this training and get access to my community, make sure you go down in the YouTube description and click the links down below. With that being said, I hope this video again gave you some value. Make sure if you really like this, give me a comment if you like this video and you want me to create some content on something else that you may be struggling with in your journey to infinite passive income success. But until then, you guys stay blessed. I see you on the other side of success.